All right, getting. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at on how to do the straws, and this time around we're going to use the real straws, like the straws that you use to drink your juice. So this is how we're going to do it, and please, I would like to welcome you right now to come and join me. If it's your first time to subscribe on this channel, just know you're on the right track, and please just give me some of your time so that we also get to learn all the things. So we have started with the washing. As usual, we always first wash, so we do the washing plus the treatment so that we get started. So as you're washing, I think on the washing, there's nothing I can teach you here. Everyone knows how to wash, right? Because we always start with the shampoo. Since we're going to be working on the natural hair, so when you're washing, there are those chemical, the shampoo, the oil, the treatment that you're supposed to use purposely for natural hair. Yes, you don't mix the natural hair products with the straight hair. So that is the only thing that you should know about it. So at this time around, we're going to do it, and trust me, you're going to love it. So I would like to shout out to everyone who is watching me right now. Thank you so much, and trust me, by the time we finish this video, at least will be with something that you have learned. And those ones who would like to continue, you can also keep on checking my other previous videos so that we get to. So if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like to first do this. Alright, I would say good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone, to the princesses. Thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper. I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I go by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master on my social media like Instagram. That is my personal account. And if you'd like to, chat more, you can go and follow me on my Instagram, Maurice the Crochet Master. And still there are a lot of pictures of other hairstyles that maybe you don't see here, but by the time you can go on my website and you check it out, so that maybe you can choose something from there, and then if it's something that you'd want to learn still, you can come here and tell me. It's www.hairzippers. Yes, it's www.hairzippers.com. Yes, then there we are good to go. So for making straws, we're going to start with I told you we're going to be using our real normal straws, the one that we use to take juice and yes, and other drinks like sodas. Yeah, it's what we're going to use. And we have to be with our molding gel. Yes, the gel that help. I already tell you what the gel helped me to do. It's just to collect the hair together and make it firm. So it's what we're using here, and you see that my straw is separated a halfway. Yeah, so when I'm trying to put it, I just open the I just open the where I've cut, and then it's when I roll from that side. So let me try to show you here with the way we're doing it. You see, I just hold it that way, then I try to pull it, then I start rolling. You see how I'm doing it. It is very it is simple, though it takes some time. That's why at times to make the work quick, we always make it we be like two. You understand? Because if you're one person, at times it might take long. It may take like 4 hours or three. But when you're two, even it can take like 1 hour and a half when you're done. So this is how you see how I'm doing it. Okay, like how we're doing it. I always work with my team, and for this time, they're the ones to work on me. So I would like to explain to you some simple things. Like when it comes to straws, this is not something that is going to last for long. No, yeah, straws, they can even get spoiled in one day if you do some of these mistakes. One, like let's say you're from doing it and you try to cover yourself. Let me say that you have put a cap on your head, and then when you sweat, yeah, the curls might come out. You understand? The curls might come out. So yeah, it's always not advisable when you have done them, and then they like you put, maybe if it's at night, but still when you sweat while putting on a cap, it might lead to for them to loosen a bit, or even to lose the curls. So I should, or you should mind about it. And another thing is there's some people, when they're trying to arrange them, they use these, like they just try, they comb. I don't know like it's like let's say in the morning, like you've been sleeping, and then you wake up in the morning when it has lost the shape, and then you find someone is just bringing the comb to comb it. Yes, maybe if you know what you're doing, that would be fine, but it's not good to use the comb. There's a specific comb that we can use just to, or even you can use your hands. Yeah, as you're going to be seeing, like the way we are doing it. So the only thing you do, you get your straws, and it's according to how your hair, because I wouldn't say that maybe you cut straws into small portions, like let's say like 4 times, and then you start using to roll it, because at times when it is short, there are those people with long hair, and you find out it is the straw is very short of the hair. So when you're going to cut those straws, you should also mind about your client's hair. Yes, you should mind it. So here you're seeing how we're doing it, just like that. Yeah, there are those people, if you don't have the gel, you can use the pins. You can use the styling pins. They can also work for you. I don't know, I'd like also to show you how to use the pins, because there are those people with, if there are those people who would like to try it without the gel, so that one also help. So after you seeing she's trying to spray the water into it, because I'm going in the dryer. So in the dryer you have to spend like 30 minutes in the dryer. You understand? When you spend the 30 minutes in the dryer, you come out, then you spray some spreads. Then after putting some spreads, you go back in for 10 minutes. So probably that is 40 minutes, and then you're good to go. So when you're done with that, you just have to remove them. You're seeing how I'm removing them, because also removing it is also very important. Yes, it's not like you can just remove it anyhow, so you just have to pull on the other side of where you had cut. Yes, so you just remove it that way. You see how the curls are. Yeah, they're looking very, very nicely. They're very, very nice. Yes, you can see the change the way it is. Someone might want to leave it that way, and then you try to apply the oil in the middle of that hair, as you're saying. Yes, I told you, like, most of the time it's always good, like, to listen to the words than saying what you want to learn. You understand? Because words are also very, very important. So when you're done with that, you just have to split them, but still it's accordingly, not just splitting anyhow. Just split them once, as you're saying. You see I'm doing it. Yes, just split them once, just like that. Yes. It's not like what I'm saying, it's not anyhow. Someone may just split it into like 4 times. You understand? So you just do it like once. Yes, you see how it goes, just like that. Yeah, so applying the oil in the middle first, because you've seen there was some spaces that when you're applying oil, at least it will go direct to someone's scalp, and that one help someone not like to over to, like it's an anti-itchy. You understand? Yes, it is an anti-itchy, at the same time it's like an oil. Yes, so that's how you always split it, and you just have to do it slowly by slowly. Yeah, so that you don't lose the curls that you have done for that 40 minutes. You understand what I'm saying? So you should always be careful when you're doing something like that. And when you're done, yes, when you're done, I would like I'd show you the comb that you're supposed to use, because it's not like all combs can do it. So there are those specific combs that you can use to split your curls, and trust me, they're the ones that you're supposed to use. Not like these, like all any comb, no. Yeah, so if you don't have it, yeah, try to get it, because it can work for you. So when you're done with that, you try to split them again with a comb, as you're saying. Yes, so now you can see how it is changing, and it is looking nicely today. You can see our print, the way it is looking. Yeah, but I think the most important thing is to learn. What have you learned from it, and are you going to do it? And probably, I told you, whenever you try to say something, it's always good also to try it out, because whenever you see and you try it out, that's when you're going to learn. You understand? So I remain by the names of Maurice, the crochet master, and trust me, I love you so much. Let's keep on doing this, and don't forget to subscribe for those ones, because more hairstyles to be coming. Bye bye, see you guys.